My name is Swati. I have done workshop with Hitesh sir on NLP Coaching 101 certification course, which has 4 days program, which was very practical and genuine program which sir has taught us in this program in workshop, which sir has taken many practical examples. They have taught us as a student also and as a coach also. सर ने बताया है, फर्स्ट यू ट्राई ऑन योर सेल्फ, देन एज अ कोच यू कैन ट्राई ऑन योर क्लाइंट्स. सो दैट वाज अ मेन थिंग. हमारे एज अ कोच what we have to do with our client, sir has given many good instructions and many good practicals on this. So I liked it a lot, and it's very practical, and it's simple practicals we have to do with our clients. As a coach, you have to understand, you have to do all the study, you have to do all the techniques with on you, so you can understand how our clients gonna do that. So it was a very good experience I have gained in this workshop. And सर का एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा in workshop. It was a free workshop. In that also sir has given personal attention to each and every question has been asked by participants, and it was a very good thing that my each and every query has been answered, and I am very good at that, and good at understanding. I got the understanding. I whatever doubts I had, I have asked in workshop, and sir has given that leverage also, that you can connect with him on WhatsApp, so we cannot have any doubts, like he'll clear each and every your doubt. So it was the best thing about Hitesh sir. And one learning from, like one best learning from this NLP coaching certification workshop was, हम हमारे माइंड को जो भी हम इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं माइंड फॉलो करता है. दिस इज़ NLP is neuro-linguistic program, and it's all about your mind and thoughts. So if you control, if you can measure your thoughts, and so you can control that also. This is the main thing about this workshop I have learned, and it's gonna help me a lot in my coaching career. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your learning. I look forward to work with you and do more workshops. Thank you.